You love your puppy? Do you love her?
That's not a toy. That's a tree. Oh my God. Come on, bro. We're going in.
Boogie, I'll get up. Okay, I'll get up.
I don't understand. What is it?
How you gonna get upstairs, Willow?
Oh God.
What? Oh, darling, it's not dinner time. Dinner time's at 6:30. And look, it's 4:15. Oh. Are you being clever? Are you being very clever? Good boy.
If you're not gonna come inside, stop messing with the door, Zilla.
Yeah. Come on, on my shop. It is. You didn't make the money first. Don't make the fist. That's who Rob is.